This is certainly high. Okay, Ridley's doing some rock climbing. Corbin's climbing. Nice.
That's what hail sounds like in our Ekko.
I got hail.
You hear it's already kind of slowing down? So here, I'll show you something cool. Look out your window on the ground. You see these big balls of ice? Yeah, let's go. Let's go grab them. Let's do it. Can we keep it in the fridge? You can try, but they usually melt really fast. Okay, now look at this. Look how much there is.
First hailstorm in the Ekko. What an adventure, huh?
A little scary, very loud.
Very loud. Yeah,
Ever in Ridley's life.
First here to the hailstorm. This is double arch. Look at this van compass. Look at that lifted transit. That's bonkers. But we are in side by sides going for a little adventure. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, maybe.
All right, fins and things, here we come.
I think we went. Hold the bar, guys. That was a butt clencher. Wow, look at that view. Yeah? All good?
Yeah.
I need a booster seat.
Yep. He is ripping it.
Send it.
Sending it all over the Utah deserts. We got our co-drivers. There you go. That's the only hard part. There you go. Now straighten up. There you go.